It's fun to have a million different plans and projects all year long. We're the same way. But here's the catch. Depending on where you live, you may not have many options, or you may have tons. Let's dig in and see what you can grow this fall. Today we're breaking down fall planting in the USA, splitting into two zones, the colder north above the latitude 40 degrees and the warmer, not quite as cold south. If you're in Maine, Michigan, and Washington, or any state north of 40 degrees, this one's for you. Your winters come fast and hard with shorter daylight hours. Hey, we all been there. This means sensitive flowers and fancy ornamentals can keep them indoors and on windowsills and under grow lights. What can you grow outside? Root vegetables like carrots, beets, radishes, microgreens that you can snip in just a week or two. Roots don't mind a little chill, but even the leaves look sad, the tubers keep trucking underground. Now let's head south. Here, the winter may flirt with freezing, but it's usually kinder and gives you a heads up before it arrives. That means more flexibility. The best part for fall planting include peas, beans, and quick greens. Most of these mature in 30 to 50 days, but be careful. Just because it's not 110 degrees outside anymore doesn't mean your lettuce won't scorch. The UV is still high, so use a shade cloth where needed, no matter where you live. Herbs are your next fall secret weapon. They're fast and fragrant, and they look amazing on your kitchen window. Our top picks are rosemary, basil, oregano, sage, and dill. They're just perfect for fresh pizza nights, and you know what holiday means? Extra wild flavor. And if you want some cheerful color, try dwarf sunflowers or zinnias. They sprout quick, bloom fast, and keep your space lively all season. Just remember, if your windows get icy drafts during a blizzard, pull them in closer to the warm spot indoors. One last trick for everybody, sprouts. Alfalfa sprouts are easy, crunchy, and ready in about 1 to 2 weeks. Perfect for toppings on salads when store-bought greens start getting a little mushy. Oh, and skip anything that takes longer than 50 days to mature. By the time Christmas lights are twinkling, you don't want to be digging through the snow for a tomato that never ripened. Yes, you'll need patience. You will need to protect your tender plants from surprise frost and UV during the fall season and into the winter, but the payoff are fresh herbs, crunchy greens, and maybe even some flowers while the world looks gray outside. Cold north, stick to the roots and microgreens. In the south, you want to stick with peas, beans, and fast greens. Everywhere, herbs, sprouts, and maybe even cheerful flowers. And avoid those long season crops. So what will you grow this season? Maybe what would you avoid? Drop your ideas in the comment section below, and we'd love to hear from you. And remember, happy gardening, guys. Even as your year winds down, Ancestry Lands is promoting generational wealth through land ownership and financial awareness to empower everyone everywhere. Subscribe, like, and follow Ancestry Lands for more content that helps you build your legacy through land. Now, go buy some land. That's it, folks. You can go to Ancestry Lands to start owning property today with payments starting at $250 a month, no credit checks, and owning land has never been easier. It's time to build your land portfolio one property at a time. We help you to get dollars from dirt and build generational wealth by owning small plots of affordable vacant land. Contact us to learn more. Oh, and speaking of dollars from dirt, I also wrote a book about investing in land for you readers out there. My book, Getting Dollars from Dirt, A Beginner's Guide to Vacant Land Investing, is on Amazon. The link is in the description section below. Inside, you'll learn simple, easy to read insights that will have you understanding why you should own land today. For more tips and tricks, subscribe for updates, comment below, and let us know what you enjoyed about this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
And remember, like and subscribe.